What if, right now, at this very moment, you're being born, watching this video, and taking your last breath all at once? It sounds impossible. But some scientists say it's not just possible, it's reality. Because time might not be what you think. Not a line, not a flow. But something stranger. Something that could rewrite everything you know about your life and your choices. Each page is a moment, everything happening at once. Stars exploding, babies being born, galaxies spinning, and you. Just watching this video, let's unravel the mystery of time and ask the question: do the past, present, and future all exist at the same time? Imagine the universe as a child drawing on paper. With each new moment, a new picture replaces the last, like frames in a movie. But Einstein's theory of relativity says it might actually be true. You think of time like that. The present is real, the past is gone, and the future hasn't happened yet. They're stitched together into a four-dimensional fabric called Spacetime. And as you move through space, you move through this fabric through time. But what if that's wrong? What if all the pictures are already drawn, stacked on top of each other, forming a block? A block of time where every moment ever, past, present, and future, exists together. This idea sounds unreal. According to relativity, space and time are not separate. But here's the strange part. What one person sees as now might be someone else's past or future, depending on how they're moving. Then all their nows must be equally real. That means there is no universal now. Your present is not the present, it's just your present. And this leads to a weird but logical conclusion. If all observers have equally valid perspectives, so whose present is correct? Their versions of now are just as valid as yours. Which means the past, the present, and the future all exist simultaneously. Let's make it weirder. Imagine 3 alien spaceships 1 million light years away. The first is stationary. It shares your now. The second is flying away. According to relativity, it now aligns with our past, say the year 1924. The third is flying toward us. It now aligns with our future, maybe the year 2124. You're just in a different slice of the block. They're all real, all of them. That's cosmic democracy, the idea that no perspective in the universe is more real than another. And if that's true, your birth, your death, and everything in between are already out there, waiting. So, is the universe just a giant, frozen block of time? Are we living in a static sculpture, not a flowing movie? If every moment already exists, then nothing actually happens. Everything simply is. You're not moving through time. But this brings up a scary idea. If the future already exists, do we even have free will? You feel like you're choosing every time you act, speak, or even decide to keep watching. But if your future is already sitting somewhere in the block, then maybe your decisions were made before you were born. So, are you in control? Or just a passenger following a script? But wait, quantum physics might have something to say. Quantum particles are unpredictable, not just hard to guess, but truly random. A radioactive atom could decay now, or in 1 million years. We can calculate the probabilities, but no, not even nature knows exactly when it will happen. Your death will always come after your birth. You exist between them. That's your now. Now imagine that atom mutates DNA in an ancient creature. That mutation leads to a completely new species. Or maybe the atom doesn't decay in time, and that creature never exists. These random events change the future. So if quantum events truly can't be predicted, then the future can't already be written, right? Each person's individual now adds a piece to the cosmic wall. Maybe, time doesn't work how we think at all. Here's one comforting idea. For each individual you, an alien, an atom, the timeline is solid. So even if cosmic now doesn't exist, your personal now does, and maybe that's enough. But could there be a better way to picture time? The block only holds the past and the present. Can the future I send T real until it happens? What if the universe isn't a frozen block, but a growing one? Maybe time would be like a building under construction, each moment added like a brick. New nows are created when events unfold, so time flows again in the future. It's still yours to decide. We started with time as a movie, one frame after another. then discovered that relativity destroys the idea of a single present. That maybe the universe is a block of frozen moments, or maybe it's growing, alive, and uncertain. So what's the truth? No one knows. Some scientists think time is an illusion. Others believe it's not fundamental, it's all just something that emerges from deeper laws of physics. We're still searching, but one thing is certain. The more we learn about time, the more it bends our minds.